Next one in a jungle. This is a cartoony model car. Next one is here a drum truck. This is a yellow, black and red color combination. A taxi car. This is a cartoony model taxi car. You can. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back my channel with a new video in this morning. So friends, today I have a empty bucket here. See, this red bucket is my collecting bucket today. So friends, now I will find some toy vehicles in this place and introduce to it you. Let's go. Oh friends, my first vehicle or toys here. This is a paste white and black color combination. This nice piano. See, this is very nice and beautiful. So I collect this one in my bucket here. And next one is here a taxi car. This is a cartoony model taxi car. You can see this is a pink and orange color combination. This nice taxi car. I also collect this one at my bucket. Another one. Oh, another one is here hiding. See, this is a very nice and beautiful model police car. See this police car. This is a black, white and blue color combination. This nice police car. Another one. Oh, another one is here on the tree. This is very nice and beautiful model jeep. See this four-wheeler jeep. This is red, black, white and green color combination. This nice jeep. Oh, this is very nice. Oh friends, one more on the tree here. This is a cartoony model police car. This is a yellow, pink and green color combination. This car. So I collect this one also my bucket here. And next one is a ruler with a mixer truck. This big size vehicle is very nice and yellow and black color combination. This nice mixer truck with a ruler. Next one. Whoa, next one is here a drum truck. This is a yellow, black and red color combination. This nice realistic model mini drum truck. Friends, I see here a cartoony model helicopter. This is a pink and purple color combination. This cartoony model helicopter. Oh, this is very nice and beautiful. Oh friends, one more here beside this bucket. This is a high speed board. See, this is a realistic model plastic high speed board. White, yellow, red and black color combination. This nice high speed board. Next one. Oh friends, here a very nice BMW car. This is red, black and silver color combination BMW car. It's very nice sound. So I collect this one at my bucket. Next one. Oh friends, next one in a jungle. This is a cartoony model car. This is a yellow, black and silver color combination. This cartoony model car. I collect this one at my bucket here. Another one, another one. Oh yes, I find a racing car. This is a realistic model, a black, pink and silver color combination. This nice car. Friends, you can see here a dirt bike. This is white, green and blue color combination. This nice realistic model dirt bike. Oh, oh, one more here beside this bucket. This is a realistic model animal truck. Oh, this is very nice. Orange, black and pink color combination. This nice animal truck. And now I find a sports car here. This is a black, red, yellow and blue color combination. This nice sports car. You can see this in a sports truck. So I will collect this one at my bucket also. And here is the last one, is a Shiba cycle. This is white, black and yellow color combination. This nice Shiba cycle. I also collect this one at my bucket here. Friends, all of these toys find and collect in this bucket, and I also introduced with you. So friends, now I will see you all of these together here. Wow, friends, see how many toys here. Oh, many toys here. So friends, I hope you interested with this video. If you interested with this video, you will subscribe our channel and waiting for next video.